Chief Secretary ka Meghalaya uba DP Walang ula Plie ya ka STEM Education Lab bat ka Vasundhara Soil Organic Carbon Detection Laboratory hasilong. Da ka banjur ya ka jingdan kam ban ya trelang hapdeng katanat trekam gejala kom ka nektar bat nezat. Ka STEM Lab balapan wonder da ka IISER Pune bat ka Curiosity Gym Mumbai katemu ban ajing hikai da ka kti na ka benta ki shispa tali ki skol hasilong. Kini ki projek ki angnut ban kentiu ki rukom rep ki bane bat penyaso ikini ki artali ki benta hapdeng kecing tip teori bat kecing pendan kam da kecing tip bat kecing shempang.
Present, this STEM lab is operational at 2 schools only in the state of Meghalaya, and you see these young boys and girls, class 5 to class 7, then class 8 to class 10, how they're demonstrating all the equipments that they have developed through the STEM lab. Class 9 students are learning coding on their own with, of course, guidance from the teachers. It's something that is path-breaking. You know, usually coding is done at the undergraduate level, but now at class 9 they're doing it on their own, and they're developing robotics, they're developing, very state-of-the-art technology over here at the school level. So this will leapfrog and will ensure that the students go to a different level altogether.